Am I the only one that didn't know about these hidden gems? Get ready to be wowed by the world's most stunning waterfalls. First up, we got Iguazu Falls on the Brazil-Argentina border. Imagine over 200 falls spread out like a fan. Jaw-dropping, right? Next, let's jet over to Victoria Falls in Africa. Locals call it the smoke that thunders. And trust me, it's a roar you gotta hear. Now for a bit of Icelandic magic, say hello to Seljalandsfoss. You can walk behind this curtain of water. Who else is packing their bags? Ever heard of Angel Falls in Venezuela? It's the world's tallest waterfall. Talk about feeling on top of the world. Last stop, Niagara Falls. This one's a classic, straddling the US and Canada. A boat ride through the mist is a must-do. Thanks for watching, my favorite audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next adventure.